Ngwatanĩro ya rũteere regani ya Azimio nĩreganĩte na mathabu ja mbajeti jara jaratũmĩrĩirwo igũrũ na kuga nĩ bajeti ya kũinyiria mũkenya. Batongeretwo nĩ mũtongeri wa kĩama kĩa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka baugĩte atĩ bajeti ya mwaka juju ĩgaitithia magũri into bya gĩtũmi bya mũkenya wa nthĩgũrũ bakĩũria bunge BAAO kũregana na kũgwĩthia MUSWANDA jwa KIGINA jwa mwaka juju. Kalonzo akĩaria ariuga bajeti ĩjĩ ithomi mbeca iria nyingi IGEETA MIUKONE ANTU BAKAI na atĩ obisi ya rais na ndoa nyingi ithano iria arĩ na bata nacio nĩcio ciathũrĩri mbeca iria nyingi. Anthony Kathenya na Nteto Ije.
Mtukui mutunyume waziri wa KIGINA Profesa Njuguna Ndung'u kuthoma bajeti ya thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ya mwaka ujo mujeru wa KIGINA ya tirilioni 3.9. Ngwatanĩro ya Azimio itongeretwo nĩ mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka leo nĩumĩrĩtie kumeneria bajeti ĩno na kumĩgweta ta ile kũthi nyume na wendibo wa Kenya.
Indeed, the regime with the contemptuous attitude towards the common Kenyan has revealed its deep betrayal of the hustlers it claims to serve. The budgetary allocations do not promote economic growth, but betray Kenyans. This regime has concealed its true goals of maintaining an oppressive and equal system benefiting a select few elites under the illusion of progress. The budgetary process lacks transparency and accountability, indicating a government operating with impunity and disregard for consequences.
Ngwatanĩro ĩno ya Azimio kimeneria gũtengwa kĩgina kĩnene kĩrĩ obisi imwe ja thirikari terera Rais William Ruto na mũnini wae Rigathi Gachagua. Azimio bakigwetagetaga lelele ta ungumene munene amuna kugweta mbeca ino imwe ibatile kuthi kĩrĩ thirikari ja kaunti.
Number 1, Office of the Executive President, 1.2 billion shillings. Office of the Deputy President, 678 million shillings. Minister of Defense, 11 billion shillings. Additional. All these additional. Foreign Affairs, 1.4 billion. National Treasury, 6 billion. One wonders what the Treasury has to spend this money for. Minister of Transport, 1.3 billion. Minister of Cooperatives, 2 billion. This is a 23.6 billion increase in recurrent expenditure. This is a budgeted corruption in the name of tea, mandazi, and flowers. The National Treasury has 26 billion more in the name of development. 2, the State Department for Devolution has an increase of 2.6 billion in development expenditure. If this regime believes in the success of devolution, then these funds should form part of the equitable share to the county governments. We estimate 1 trillion shillings as budgeted corruption for the next financial year.
Ngwatanĩro ĩno ya Azimio kithijaga na mbele na kũria Kenya muna ngwatanĩro ja gũtetera gĩoto kĩa mwingi kwĩumĩria kumeneria bajeti ĩno ya thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza.
We as a coalition urge the international community, the civil society organizations, and concerned citizens, both at home and abroad, to stand in solidarity with Kenyans in condemning Kenya Kwanza's regime's blatant disregard for the public good. We call for quick action to bring those responsible for this breach of trust accountable and to lobby for a budgetary framework that prioritizes the needs and concerns of all Kenyans, not just the privileged few.
Now, kagita ngwatanĩro ĩno ya Azimio nĩmenete mũswada wa KIGINA wa mwaka ũjũ ũrĩa kũrĩgĩrwo kũletwo bunge kiumetũthiĩte na nĩũletia Kenya kwĩumĩria na kũmeneria mũswada ũjũ amona kũria bunge ba Azimio gũpinga na inya nene.
The majority of the tax measures in the 2024 finance bill are punitive in nature with substantial consequences for Kenyans. Azimio believes that our country's focus should be on helping enterprises and the manufacturing industry to create jobs and wealth, increase productivity, cut living costs, and finally, bring prosperity to Kenyans. We therefore reaffirm our stand that all well-meaning Kenyans must oppose the Finance Bill 2024 and have and have thus instructed all our parliamentary members to lead from the front in rejecting this punitive bill in its totality.
We condemn the budget and the finance bill in total, and we actually reject it from this platform, or reject them from where we start, and are asking our members of parliament to hear it, hear the members of the public, listen to what we are telling you. You were elected to represent the people, not to represent the disaster in the name of Ruto.
Na tuataka siku ya leo tuwaombe wabunge wetu wale 88 waliopinga mwaka jana, tuwataka tena wapinge huu mswada wa mwaka huu, sababu ndio mbaya zaidi.
Kuma mji mnene wa Nairobi, Mbeta Antony, Rangi wa